Welcome to the channel, the Academy and Adventure favorites. Discover the products everyone is using. And before we continue, sign up for the channel because we bring useful tips every week to help your workout and lifestyle. Number 1. ZELUS Weighted Vest. Have you ever trained with a weight vest? The ZELUS Weighted Vest is amazing. This vest will raise your training to a new level, be it for running, bodybuilding, functional. It is super comfortable, with padded straps and fabric that does not irritate the skin. And the best? Comes with pockets for cell phone and key, and is fully adjustable to any body. In addition, the weight is distributed evenly, avoiding pain and injuries. Let's intensify the workouts and see real results. Link in description. Put in cart right now to guarantee the best price of the day. Number 2. Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. If you're looking for a versatile equipment, found it. The Fit Simplify Resistance Bands are perfect for training at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. The kit comes with 5 levels of resistance, from beginner to advanced, perfect for any type of training. They are ideal for strength, stretching, and even rehabilitation. And you know the best? They come with a handy bag and an exercise guide. And the final touch, they are tested and do not hurt your skin. Already guaranteed yours? Click the link and buy now. And add to cart to buy with the lowest value of the day. Number 3. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Imagine being able to drink clean water anywhere. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter does it for you. It eliminates 99.9999% of bacteria and parasites, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and even home emergencies. In addition, it filters up to 4,000 liters of water. And best of all, every purchase helps a child have clean water for a year. It's not just a useful product, it's a life-changing product. Don't miss this chance. Access the link to secure purchase in the description and get yours right now. And if you haven't signed up yet, take the opportunity to sign up and support our channel. We appreciate your support. Number 4. Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState Tumbler. Have you ever heard of the cup that turned fever? The Stanley Quencher H2.0 is the best tumbler. It keeps your drink cold or hot for hours, has a 3-in-1 lid that won't leak, and the design fits into the car cup holder, perfect for everyday life. And the best, it's made with recycled steel, washable in the dishwasher, and is super durable. Forget the plastic bottles that stain and accumulate odors. This is the type of cup you buy once and use forever. Don't miss the chance to guarantee the original. The buy link is here in the comments. Enjoy and secure yours now. These are, without a doubt, the favorites of the moment. With thousands of units sold, these products have won the fans of training and adventure for their practicality, quality, and excellent cost benefit. Don't waste time. Click on the links below and take advantage of the offers. And see you next video.